Now I teach you how to use this big size laser marking machine. How to use it? First, you can see this computer. Can you see clearly? When you open the machine, power on the machine, you will need to make the machine back home first. Back home. Here. Here. Okay. There, large format split mark. And press here. Halfway return. When we press it, the machine will back home, back to the corner. And also, if you want to make the machine move step by step by hand, here, you input how far it move, and input and press one by one. Remember, move one by one. Remove X first or Y first. Then when it finished, then press another axis. When you receive the machine, you install your computer, and there are some parameters you need to input. We will give you one USB, and you just input the parameters accordingly. Now we tell you which part. First, you find this choose. You find here. Okay, working area. Input the working area. Find this page. Okay. Okay. When you finished, okay. Second, configuration F3. Area, this size, here you need to input, and the laser control. Okay, choose the CO2 because this machine is CO2. And second, port. Okay, port. You find it. Yes, input port. Input port. Red light. Red light. This page also need to input. Extension, large format split mark. Configuration F3. X1, it is for the X. X2, this is for the Y axis. Okay, and then when finished, then back to 0. It's okay. Now I teach you how to input the drawing. How to input the drawing. Now you can see our technician operation. Okay, choose here, and you can find the format file for which format you need to choose. Okay, now this is a sample. This is a sample. What we do? We usually use DXF format. Okay. This is our company logo here. Now open it and push it to the inside. To the inside. Extension and find the large format split mark. You will find here there are some divisions. We usually choose this one, compulsory division. Okay, and choose the equal fractionation. This is it means how much part we need to divide. Later I will show you. We divide 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how much you need to divide? If 2, it will be 2. Okay. And when you finish this, you need to make a trial marking first. Trial mark. Have to make a trial testing first. Remember, okay? Okay. When you finish it, and you will find here, open it, and when you finish the marking, let me show you. Okay, let me show you. This is we test first. You will find there will some connections not good. So now we need to adjust its position. You can see here there are some marks there. Now we need to adjust this. Now let's back to the computer. Then you can move the Y, move them the offset, then test again until you find the correct position.